People often wonder, how do actors lose weight so fast? How do they easily transform their bodies from being obese for one role to being trim or ripped for another? When it comes to burning fat, there are a lot of options available. From various diets and supplements, to different exercise routines. However, some methods are faster and more effective than others. And these are the methods often used by Hollywood actors. Make sure you watch right to the end of the video, as these methods are incredibly effective in shedding body fat even when you are resting. Here are the 3 fastest ways to burn fat. The first way is through high-intensity interval training, known simply as HIIT. HIIT is a workout that alternates between high-intensity exercises and short recovery periods. It is a great way to burn fat because it elevates your heart rate and burns more calories in a shorter amount of time than traditional cardio. And most people only need a 10 to 15 minute HIIT workout 4 days a week. That's only 15 minutes a day. Studies have shown that HIIT can lead to significant reductions in body fat in just a few weeks. HIIT also increases your metabolism, which means you'll continue to burn calories even after you've finished your workout. And this means for hours after exercise, even when you are relaxing on the sofa. Actors are often under immense pressure to lose weight quickly and achieve a toned physique, which can be challenging. Some Hollywood actors who use HIIT for rapid weight loss in preparation for their roles include Hugh Jackman and Scarlett Johansson. Starting a HIIT workout routine can be intimidating, but there are beginner-friendly exercises you can do. Gradually increase your intensity, focus on your breathing, and stay consistent to see improvements in your fitness and overall health. Next, let's talk about superfoods, incredibly natural and delicious foods that can help the weight loss process. These nourishing foods, such as berries, leafy greens, avocados, and nuts, are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients. Superfoods fortify the body with nutrients, helping you to feel satiated and fuller. This means you are more likely to eat less overall. A helpful suggestion would be to opt for superfoods that have what's known as negative calories, meaning they require more energy to be consumed and digested than the actual calories they contain. Examples are carrots, celery, and tomatoes. Gwyneth Paltrow has spoken about her love for superfoods like kale and goji berries, which she incorporates into her diet for their high nutrient content. Singer Beyoncé is also a fan of superfoods, and has been known to drink a special beverage made with cayenne pepper and lemon juice to boost her metabolism and detoxify her body. Another powerful method favored by actors to lose weight rapidly is intermittent fasting. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. During the fasting period, your body is forced to use stored fat for energy, which can lead to ketosis and fat loss. There are several different types of intermittent fasting, but the most common is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. It is not a coincidence that intermittent fasting has helped millions of people with type 2 diabetes. Actors who habitually use intermittent fasting include Chris Hemsworth, Hugh Jackman, and Jennifer Aniston. Another actor obsessed with intermittent fasting is Terry Crews. He credits it with helping him maintain his ripped and muscular body. It's important to note that fasting is not suitable for everyone, and you should consult with a healthcare professional before trying it. As you can see, if you want to burn fat quickly, a combination of HIIT, superfoods, and fasting may be your best way moving forward. Incorporate these strategies into your routine, and make sure to prioritize a healthy diet and consistent exercise habits for optimal results. If this video has been helpful so far, please let us know by clicking like and subscribe. The 3 methods we just looked at are incredibly powerful, but people also use health supplements that can turbocharge the weight loss process. One popular supplement that is helping people get slimmer in just a few weeks is called Alpiline. Alpiline is a natural weight loss product that uses high-quality plant-derived ingredients, backed by solid scientific evidence. It contains natural supplements such as green tea extract, capsaicin, and turmeric roots, which boost energy levels and body temperature. The increase in body temperature and metabolism naturally forces the body to start burning more fat, and to do so consistently. If you are looking to supplement your weight loss routine, Look no further than Alpiline, which has helped thousands of people around the world. If you want more information on this powerful supplement or looking to get access to Alpiline today, you will find the links in the video description below. It's important to remember that sustainable weight loss takes time, effort and discipline as you move towards success. Please share this video with a friend to help them along on their weight loss journey.